Niligpit ko ng mga gamit, wala nang laman ng truck. Wala nang kalaman-laman. Yan. Binaba ko na lahat ng gamit. So binaba ko na lahat, wala akong itinira. Lahat, pati mga gamit ko. Microwave, binaba ko rin lahat. So yun, wala akong itinira dito. Para naman maganda pagka pinarada natin doon. So yun, at iwanan ko na siya. So yan mga kabiyero, at nandito na naman ako sa Regina. So bumiyahe lang ako ng another Regina. Then nag-deliver lang ako, single trailer lang ako pumunta rito sa Regina. Kasi humingi lang kasi ako ng short trip dahil nga kailangan ko makabalik agad. So anong nangyari? So na-deliver ko na itong isang trailer. So ang nangyari ay pinabalik ako dito sa yard. Kasi itong dapat na i-deliver dapat kahapon, na which is dala ko nung nakaraang araw na walang appointment, nirebook nila. Ngayon yung appointment na deliver, so sa akin pa rin pinadi-deliver. So kagandahan lang, hindi ako nagantay ng matagal dito. And then yan sa akin pa rin ipapa-deliver. So naka-miles pa ako bago ko siya i-deliver. So dapat ang appointment niya is kahapon, but 9 na. So 11:30. So yun, at i-deliver ko siya ngayon. Yun, sabi ko bayaran nila ako ng cartage kasi nga dito lang din ako nag-deliver sa Regina. So yun, at deliver ko siya ngayon. Na-hook up ko na. Hindi ko naman siya doon napakita sa inyo yung papunta ko rito. Kasi normal naman na ginagawa ko na yung ginagawa namin na atras lang sa dock, bukas ang pinto. So yun lang. At kailangan ko nga rin makabalik, kaya siguro binigyan lang ako ng isang trailer. So hindi ako nag-double trailer papunta rito. So yun, after this hindi ko alam kung anong kasunod. At malaman ko mamaya, update ko na lang sila. At kailangan ko lang muna deliver to, kasi siguro wala silang nakuha magdi-deliver to. Kaya yun, nirebook ulit nila yung appointment. Sa akin pa rin pinadeliver. So pabor pa rin sa akin dahil naka-miles na ako. May another job pa ako ngayon na per hour, kaysa nagantay ako dito ng appointment niya. Lalo kung walang kikitain pag gano'n. So pabor na pabor para sa akin. So yun, at papunta muna ako doon sa pinuntahan ko last time. Doon ako magpapa-unload. So magpapa-unload lang ako. So bawal sa mag-antay sa loob ng truck. So doon ako mag-aantay sa dock para i-unload yung load ko. So yan, kita ako sa Rosino. So yun, nakatapos na ako ng delivery dito. So hindi ko alam kung saan ako pupunta ngayon dahil nagbantay ako sa loob, pero nag-message naman ako sa dispatch. So malaman ako kung saan ako pupunta ngayon. Nope, nothing. You will take that empty to Winnipeg terminal. Did you arrive? LUL? Where's that LUL?
Your party is currently not available. Please hold for the next available agent. Wait while I transfer your call.
Hi, Justin?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Ryan, 32660.
You're right.
What do you mean LUL?
Live unload. What time did you arrive there?
I said you already. What time?
Yeah, it looks like everything errored out, so I just trying to confirm everything here. What time did you arrive for the delivery?
Oh, hang on. I'll double check it in my ilag.
Okay, I will. Well, your e-logs, actually, I was looking. It doesn't say when you arrived. It just, I think you actually maybe clicked something.
Oh
wrong.
yeah, I haven't arrived yet. Sorry.
That's okay. Just, I could do it from here. Do you know what time you arrived?
Around 10:40.
10:40.
Yeah.
And are you still unloading right now?
I'm empty already.
You're empty.
Yeah.
What time did you empty?
Just now.
Just now?
Yeah.
So 11:20.
Yeah.
Okay, you can take that empty to Winnipeg terminal. Okay.
So empty back to Winnipeg
Yes, please.
with this trailer, eh?
With the trailer you have, yes.
Okay, sounds great. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
So yun. At pinadadala na sa akin ng empty to. So uwi na. Done for today. Done for today. So all good. Empty na. Uwi na ng empty. Wala nang laman. Pero bayad to. Kahit walang laman, bayad pa rin ako. Yun lang ang kagandahan pagka tag dito. Kapag per miles. May laman o wala, bayad. Kahit yung pag-aantay, bayad. So walang hassle, may peace of mind. Kasi yun nga, wala kang iisipin na mag-antay ng load, wala kang iisipin na kung anong load mo. So kung anong sabihin ng dispatch, tuloy-tuloy. So yun nga, peace of mind lang. Yun lang ang kagandahan sa sa per miles. So let's get it on. So yan, wala na akong laman. Pakita ko sa inyo. Oh, madulas. Okay ka na. Madulas yan guys, oh. Grabe. Madulas pa rin. So yan, empty na ako. Strap na lang ang laman. Malinis, dumi lang ang natira. Tsaka strap. So itong strap kukunin ko. Kasi kailangan ko yan. Gandang extra. Kunin ko yan. So ganun lang ang biyahe namin dito. Madulas. Relax lang ang galawan. So yun, uwi na, maaga pa makakauwi. So mag-top up lang ako ng diesel. Ayun, tara na umuwi nang walang laman. So yun, magandang araw mga kabiyero. So narito na ako ngayon sa Winnipeg. At andito ako sa parking kung saan ako nakapark ang truck ko. So yan, niligpit ko ng mga gamit. Wala nang laman ng truck. Wala nang kalaman-laman. Yan, binaba ko na lahat ng gamit. So binaba ko na lahat. Wala ko itinira. At para maganda-gandang tingnan. So yun, at dadalhin ko na siya sa shop. Wala na laman. So yan, ubos, binaba ko lahat, pati mga gamit siya. Microwave, binaba ko rin lahat. So yun, wala ako itinira dito. Para naman maganda pagka pinarada natin dun. So yun, samahan nyo ako maya maya. At kakain lang ako, then dalhin ko na rin sa shop. So papunta na ako doon sa pagdadalang ko nitong truck. Okay na lahat. Wala naman ang naiwan. Lahat ay empty. Empty na lahat. Ano naman dito ang cabinet. Ano ba ako naiwan? Puro basura na lang. Puro basura na lang natitira. So yan at samahan niyo ako. Dali natin doon. Kasi ito, naka-ano pa oh, naka-check engine pa. Loko talaga oh. So ang tinakbo niya ngayon ay 1,089,259. So yan, hindi ko na ano yung iba. So ganyan yung itsura niya ngayon. So makikita natin after 2 weeks ano magiging itsura niya. Wala na laman dun. Wala na rin laman dito. Papalitan lang ako ng carpet siguro. Palitan ko na lang yung mga carpet. Kuya. Pag-united. Andiyan si Justin? Diyan? Iwan ako yung truck ko eh. Yung carpet ko, iwan ko na lang sa loob. Patapon na lang. Kasi di-detail din dyan eh.
Alin?
Yung carpet sa truck.
Oo. Oh, yaman na ron.
Para ano, pero papatapon ko na rin. Palitin na rin naman.
Ayaw. Palitin na ba?
Oo. Yun lang, hindi, aftermarket yun eh.
Ah. Alin ba yung truck mo?
Are. Ano to ginawa?
Oo, ginawa yan.
Nagpapakintab din ba kayo ng rim? Yung atag doon yung chemical lang? Wala.
Wala.
Ito tatapon na.
Paano lang yan? Pag merong chemical, mamumuti.
Yun lang, okay lang yun.
Okay lang, pumuti.
Hmm.
Yan siya, yung maputi siya, mawawala yung ano, kaya lang maputi.
Ito tatapon na.
Tapo na to. Tsaka to.
Pati yung kabila meron.
O, sige. Lahat ng ganun. Tapon.
Yung original na matira.
Okay.
Okay lang ako sa'yo, kuya, number mo? Para kung ano
Kaya
yan.
ano na, kay JB na lang.
Kanina?
Si yung
Ay, yung isa?
Kay Justin. Hindi, kay Justin.
Kay Justin, okay.
Oh,
Dumating kaya yung parts ko?
may papalit din part yan.
Alam ko hood eh.
Oo, ay. Tanong ko.
Sige. Balikan.
Oo.
Ako si Justin. Justin. Si Justin.
Hindi Justin.
Yeah. Okay, thank you.
Justin to the front office for customers. Justin?
Hi, sir.
How are you doing?
Good.
Give me 2 seconds, I'll be right there.
Okay. Good.
Good. Let's go have a look at the truck. We're gonna go over it one more time. It's just to make sure we don't miss anything.
Yeah. I'll just park it behind that.
Perfect.
That's a nice classic truck, right? It's been jackknife.
Which one's that?
That one?
Yeah, it really jackknifed. Very hard. Jackknifed so hard it twisted the whole hood.
Especially that damage, eh?
Oh yeah, it's a write-off. That's
It's been right up?
yeah. The cab buckled at the cab mounts.
Uh-huh.
So
You
yeah.
want me to open the hood?
No, I just want to go over everything with you. I have all my pictures and everything. I just want to make sure that we have everything. So we're replacing the hood.
Yeah, you said you had the hood, right?
We do. I'm just going through everything one more time. We do it just to make sure nothing gets missed. Then the bumper pieces.
Yeah. And then if they're gonna remove this, you said you're gonna remove this.
That needs to come off, yeah.
Yeah. This lights has a socket here, so you don't need to cut everything.
Oh yeah, no, we won't cut the harnesses.
Yeah.
No way. Now what else were we at? I have a note and everything. I just want to make sure we're
You said the lower bumper, you said?
yeah, there's the bumper parts, the hood. Was there hood shocks on there?
Yeah, hood shocks.
Are they
Is
okay
it-
on this one, or are we
No, it's
replacing?
shots.
They're
Yeah, and then
the
they,
springs
uh,
are out, right?
Yeah, and then the what do you call that? From
The
the
recirculation shield.
yeah, the
Yeah.
rubber one, the
Yeah.
rubber thing.
Yeah.
Then I also requested to you about the back, right? If you remember? That rust in the top.
Yeah, we're gonna clean it up.
Yeah. And the bolts.
Yeah, we're gonna change those bolts.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll clean all that up. We'll change the bolts. We'll polish that all off there.
Okay.
Absolutely.
Thank you very much.
No problem.
And they just gonna spray chemicals here, right? On the ring? When they do the detailing?
Well, we can do
Just spray chemicals?
an aluminum cleaner on them.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's okay.
Yeah.
Because I just talked to the who do polishing rims in Steinbach.
Yep.
I said after they do the body work, so
Yeah. Well, we can do an aluminum cleaning on the rims for sure.
yeah. And I remove all those my stuff inside. So
Beautiful. Okay. Yeah. Let's.
and
You have
well,
someone coming to get you?
yeah, my wife.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Because we're leaving tomorrow morning.
Very nice.
So-
you gonna have a nice holiday.
I hope so.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Any time away from work is a nice holiday.
Yeah.
Well, you know, everybody works so hard and never make quite enough money, you know what I mean?
Yeah, but the problem is in the US right now is the tariff, right?
Yeah, well yeah, there's a lot going on, man.
Yeah.
Lots going on, but you guys should be okay. I'll take the keys from you.
Do you have the hood here?
We do, we have a few hoods here.
Oh.
We got a new hood for your truck. I'm not putting a used one on it.
So,
I know that you really care about your truck.
Yeah.
We were gonna put a used hood on it.
Mhm.
I'm not putting a used hood on it. We're gonna put a brand new one on. MPI's already approved it.
Thank you very much.
Yes,
I
sir, my
appreciate
friend.
it. You
All right, brother.
So, I'll message you? Or...
Give me a call, shoot me a text, shoot me an email. But yeah, we're gonna get started on it right away.
But you're close weekends, right?
Yeah, we're closed on the weekends. Yeah,
Okay.
so we're gonna be starting tomorrow, and then
Okay.
we're closed until Monday.
Oh, Monday? Monday close?
No, until Monday.
Oh, okay.
We're closed for
But-
the weekend.
Next week is Holy Week, right? Next week?
Friday,
Next Friday.
we're off. Yeah,
Off on Friday?
on Friday we're off. Next week.
Friday, Saturday, Sunday?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you again.
All right, my man. Have fun on your
I'll
holiday.
bring you pancit and when I get back. See ya. So yun, napaka-bait ko usap. So sana naman ay maibalik natin sa dati lahat. So dito yung collision. Ito, bago na okay, naging sira niyan. Kenworth. So yun, at iwanan ko na siya. Ayan, kami ay larga na. Maga pa ang alis namin bukas. Papagupit lang ako ngayon. Everything's done. Everything is clear.